Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can set the power limitation to the induction hob Haier. So in the first step you have to turn on your appliance, then hold the pause and the lock button together for 2 seconds. As you can see, now we have the P8. That means the power limitation is activated for the maximum, so 7400 kilowatts. You can slightly just increase or decrease it by the slider. The P1 means 2 kilowatts, P2 2.5, P3 3 kilowatts, 3.5 and go to the maximum to the 7.4 kilowatt hour. To save the settings, just turn off your appliance, and even you lost the power, the settings are saved. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.